परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love. I welcome all the living, practicing Hindus from all over the world, all the Sarvanyapeta Kartas, Yajaman, manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Shri Mahans, Mahans, Kotari, Taneda, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us. All the Paramashivoham Season 9 participants, and Paramashiva Ganas, everyone sitting with us through Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, and other social media platforms. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's direct message from Kailasa. Listen. E Kailasa is the message from Paramashiva for all of you, not only to sail through this pralaya, to have superconscious breakthrough. What I mean by the word E Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. If you cannot come to Kailasa, Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is E Kailasa. Literally enlightenment served to you without you even moving out of your couch. Enlightenment, power manifestation, Paramashiva, everything for couch potatoes. Siddha means in Sanskrit two meaning, boiled and enlightened. We boil couch potatoes and make them enlightened potatoes. We boil couch potatoes and make them enlightened potatoes. See, already in multiple locations, we have started offering this service. Now, we will organize it much better way. Literally in all time zones, we have E Kailasa operating. Let me describe exactly what I am offering to each one of you through E Kailasa. First thing, all powerful cognitions, knowledge, only when you live, power manifestation and possibilities manifestation happens. This is a fundamental truth. Whether yoga, see, if you read 50 years, all great books about yoga, yogasana, pranayama, kriya, everything, and you have become a master now, and you write tons of books and you get even PhD, but you don't get up even one day to do the yoga, to practice the yoga. Don't call yourself as a yogi. And you will not be enjoying the real results of yoga. Real results of yoga is enlightenment, health, spiritual benefit. See, many people use yoga to get attention in parties, kitty parties. If you are practicing or if you talk a lot about spirituality, you get a lot of attention in kitty parties. Sometimes people use yoga commercially. Sometimes people use yoga even further, their political interest. Sometimes people use yoga to get attention in kitty parties. Sometimes people use yoga to show that they know a lot. Listen, but none of it will bring any good to you unless you do it. You need to wake up in Brahma Muhurtam and start doing. You need to sit in Batmasana for hours and able to perform your office or any activities of your life. I tell you, even in your office, in your work, in your workplace, if you can sit in Batmasana and do it, you will bring so much good to you and to others. I tell you, see, just lying relaxed way, you can't get angry. If you have to get angry, agitated, you have to sit up. Try. Just lying relaxed way, try to get angry, try to get agitated, try to scream, try to attend one phone call with your spouse by just lying relaxed way. No, it is not possible. To attend the call from spouse, you have to wake up, you have to get up and sit because there's a lot will be happening in that call. Understand? The posture in which your body is and the action and reaction of your mind is connected. It is connected. That is why I am saying, if you sit in Batmasana, whether you are an engineer, doctor, lawyer, whatever, maybe your career, your profession, whenever you need to sit, if you sit in Batmasana and perform your responsibilities, activities, you will have lowest reactionary assumptions, highest awakened response, alive response, Turiya and Turiyatita response for life continuous. I tell you, not only when you are attending to satsang, even while you are attending to your office, your work. Now, of course, all of you, at least most of you work from home. Even if you are working from office, try to sit as much as possible in Batmasana. Make yourself fully awake, alive. One great thing is the best possible state of consciousness means fully charged state of you can be achieved when you sit in Batmasana. That is why I insist, when you are attending to the satsang, when you are attending satsang, start sitting in Batmasana. May I request all of you all over the world. Now come to Batmasana, sit as much as you can. After a few minutes, if you change the posture, it's okay. But start. Understand? Only if you start practicing, yoga brings result. Powerful cognitions, only when you start living, it manifests as powers. Whether possibilities or powers comes to only people who live it, who manifest it. I tell you, people who go on reading books but never practice or manifest, they become devils, demons, extreme cunningness. They develop a politicking mentality to manipulate even spiritual scriptures without using it for the right purpose. Armchair experts. Now I am telling you, understand? Even if you read about the beauty and greatness of waking up in morning, Brahma Muhurta, and doing yoga, doing Panchakriya, and doing puja for 10 years, listen about it for 20 years, but never started practicing, you are going to become demon, devil. You will only learn how to manipulate your knowledge. But I tell you, if you start practicing even one day, you will start understanding how it feels. Through this e-Kailasa, we bring everything from Kailasa to you, to your home, where you are. Everything we bring. For example, you are inspired to get up in Brahma Muhurtam and do yoga, but your laziness is more powerful in you than your powerful cognition or inspiration. Then we come to you. To give proper customized spiritual service, helping you to complete with your laziness pattern. We have detailed understanding about why laziness, why tiredness, why boredom, why you don't feel like getting up early morning. See, I myself received this knowledge from my gurus and applied it in my life and experienced it. More than that, last 26 years, working with millions of people from all cultures, we have perfected the science of helping every individual from every cultural, religious, nationality background. Understand? I received the science from my gurus. I perfected it in my life and started teaching last 26 years literally. Just recently we got few photographs where my guru is not only teaching to some of the Western disciples, he applying Aushadha for a Western disciple and healing him from the paralysis. Thanks to autobiography team, which is sitting in Tiruvannamalai and going to each and every house in Tiruvannamalai and old photo studios and collecting everything related to my life and my gurus. It's actually every statement I am making is getting substantiated with a large amount of evidences, eyewitnesses, testimonials. So last 26 years, by teaching this science to the whole world, we perfected due to our expertise in working with literally human beings from all cultures, all religions, all backgrounds, all nationality, how to help people from various culture, various background, various nationality, various health level in a customized way, helping them to identify their patterns, why they start enjoying laziness, why they withdraw from life, what kind of a diet can help them to get out of that laziness, what is the powerful cognitions they need to get out of laziness, how to complete with their laziness, tiredness, boredom patterns, how to complete with self-hatred, self-denial, self-doubt. We have mastered this science, working with millions of people. This whole knowledge, I have organized it and now it is available in your bedroom. You, without even you moving out of your couch, free of cost. The last word is the punchline, free of cost. Understand? We can help you in a customized way to identify why your laziness, tiredness, boredom, life negative patterns are more stronger than your inspiration, energy, powerful cognition. Sometimes the problem is as simple as too much of gas and fat, undigested shit in the stomach. All you need is 2 days of neem juice, turmeric milk, haritaki powder, castor oil, just 2-3 days. You are free from destroying almost 8 to 10 hours of your life. We can get you your time back. Your time means your life. We can get you at least 40% extra life back to you. I can guarantee. If you are living in the active condition per week 100 hours, we can make that easily into 150 hours. I'm giving you a rough number, like an example. Listen carefully. Per month, if you are in waking state, 100 hours, awakened state, half an hour, we can raise the 100 into easily 150 hours, even 200 hours. We can multiply the quality and quantity of your life. Please understand, not just quality, quantity also. If you experience only half an hour Turiya, awakened state per month, we can drastically raise that into at least 25 hours. Understand? Wherever you are, we can help you through e-services. First, helping you to identify your root patterns of suffering. Why life negativity? Why withdrawal from life? Why self-hatred, self-denial, self-doubt? Why so much of tiredness, laziness? We can support you from your aligning your diet, your attitude, your aptitude, your understanding about life. We can help you with everything. Kailasa is the totality of the knowledge I received from my gurus and practice manifested in my life, perfected by teaching millions of people from all cultures, time zones, backgrounds, genders, nationality, race, from every creed. So this absolutely perfected knowledge available to you, served to you in your home without even you moving out of your couch, free of cost. That's the punchline. Understand? To get a wake-up call in your hotel, you know it's a special service they provide. Only in hotels you get wake-up call because you pay the hotel. So every wake-up call costs. You should know that. Just because Kailasa is providing this service freely, don't take it for granted. We first help you to identify your laziness patterns, and we help you to diagnose whether the pattern is only mental level or physical level. If it is physical level, we will help you to detox you, detox your body. Through haritaki, castor oil, neem juice, the spiritual prasadas from Paramashiva, and give you complete spiritual support. And then during morning Brahma Muhurta, exact Brahma Muhurta, we give you wake-up call. If you miss 1 or 2 days, it's okay. We will support you again, inspire you, encourage. We won't give up. Step by step, we make sure you move from your couch, along with your couch, to Kailasa. Couch to Kailasa. Kailasa sitting in your couch. Like yesterday and today we are celebrating Sundaramurti Nayanar's Guru Puja. He went to Kailasa sitting on his white elephant. Same way, you can go to Kailasa sitting on your couch. வெள்ளையானை மீதேறி கைலை சென்ற சுந்தரர் போலே இருக்கின்ற இருக்கையில் அமர்ந்தவாறே கைலை செல்லும் வழிமுறையே கைலாசம். Kailasa provides this spiritual service to you. Understand? The service you are receiving drastically increases the quality of your life, quantity of your life, makes you make more money, more happiness, better relationships. Because when we remove all the irritation, anger, feeling violated, toxins from your system, all your relationships become amazing, matured, great. Understand? We get you health. We get you ability to build beautiful relationships in your life. We get you direct spiritual support, and we make sure you become wealthy. Understand? Kailasa brings everything, and once you start living the spiritual routine, we will make sure you manifest powers of Paramashiva. We won't stop just good life, giving you just good life. We will literally not stop till you live enlightened life, manifesting the state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva. I have the photographs of my guru teaching yoga to his Western disciples and applying Aushadha to heal the person from paralytic attack. The person had a paralytic attack, so he was applying Aushadha. You can see in his hand, he himself personally applying Aushadha and healing that person. He is personally taking classes and teaching yoga to the disciples from around the world. This is just near Tiruvannamalai temple. Thanks to Autobiography team, they got more photographs. I'll be sharing with you all. Understand? I think these photos are taken in 1990s. From that time, we perfected the science. Now, we are bringing the science to your home, to your couch, free of cost. The most ancient, best way of life and best kept sacred secrets. All these years, these secrets were kept inside the monastery, handed over only from guru to disciple, guru to disciple, guru to disciple. The secrets kept inside the Siddha Paramparas, Siddha tradition. Now, not only I practice all of that in my life and manifested it by teaching to millions of people last 26 years. We have perfected the science of teaching, enriching and enriching. Asajjana, sajjana sangi, sangat karoti, tu satyam abhiha satyam pushpashrayat sambhu shiro athiruta bibilika sumbadi chandrabimbam. I'll give the translation. This is from Mahasubhashita Sangraha, verse 6571 and 6572 verse. I'll read out the translation. Like how the ant, which just by sitting on a flower climbs and adorns the head of Paramashiva and also touches the moon on Paramashiva's head, even a malignous man, by beginning in the company of Satsanga, makes even the impossible as possible in this world. Please understand, the power of Satsanga can raise you to Kailasa directly. Whatever knowledge I received from my gurus, perfected it by living and manifesting it, and perfected the science of teaching by teaching to millions of modern day human beings all over the world, from all culture, all races, all nationality, all color, all creed, all gender, all types of beings. This whole science is coming to your home, catered to you, customized to you, free of cost, is e-Kailasa. We were providing this service last many years. Now in an organized way we are beginning in 100 places from today, expanding it to 108 places, time zones. Please send an email to e-Kailasa for e-passport. We provide e-passport, and which is free of cost, and we provide all these services. Free library service, free e-Gurukul, free completion sessions, very customized. Guided meditation process personally by me, and Vakyartha Sadas. So please sign up for e-passport and avail of this. Kailasa.org/e-passport right now. I'll give you time now, few minutes. Please sign up now. Even if you signed up earlier, please sign up now, because from today we are organizing and providing these services through Zoom. The e-Kailasa services are beginning from today. So even if you have signed up earlier, please sign up now again, so we can start providing from today the e-passport and e-Kailasa services.
நித்யானந்த நாமம் சொல்லி பாடுங்கடி ஏலேலோ, சத்குருவ போற்றி இங்கே பாட வந்தேன் தாலேலோ. நித்யானந்த நாமம் சொல்லி பாடுங்கடி ஏலேலோ, சத்குருவ போற்றி இங்கே பாட வந்தேன் தாலேலோ. நல்ல நல்ல ஞானம் தந்து நம்ம கரை சேர்த்தாரு, நம்ம கரை சேர்த்தாரு, நம்ம கரை சேர்த்தாரு. என்றும் நித்திய ஆனந்தமா உசுருக்குள்ள பூத்தாரு, என்றும் நித்திய ஆனந்தமா உசுருக்குள்ள பூத்தாரு, உசுருக்குள்ள பூத்தாரு. சாமியோட வார்த்தை எல்லாம் ஒவ்வொன்றுமே மந்திரம், சாமி பெச்ச கேட்க வானம் கூட மண்ணில் வந்திடும். சாமியோட வார்த்தை எல்லாம் ஒவ்வொன்றுமே மந்திரம், சாமி பெச்ச கேட்க வானம் கூட மண்ணில் வந்திடும். சாமியோட சிரிப்பு சத்தம் பூமி மொத்தம் மயங்கிடும், சாமியோட சிரிப்பு சத்தம் பூமி மொத்தம் மயங்கிடும். என்ன சொல்ல வார்த்தை இல்ல உசுறு பாடும் வந்தனோ, என்ன சொல்ல வார்த்தை இல்ல, உசுறு பாடும் வந்தனோ, உசுறு பாடும் வந்தனோ.
Understand? Whole world should become e-Kailashians. Because we need to cater this enlightenment science to the whole world wherever they are. If you are interested in enlightenment, we will immediately bring this to you. If you are not interested, we will explain the whole science, inspire you and make you interested in enlightenment science. Understand? We should reach out to the whole world and make the whole world as e-Kailashians. Today, we are formally expanding the services to 108 places in all 24 time zones. Next 1 week, we are dedicating it to organizing ourselves and expanding this e-Kailasa service to the whole world. Reaching out at least to 1 million people. Every human being should be given the science of enlightenment. Enlightenment is birthright of human being, all human beings. Kailasa is responsible to provide that to all human beings. Enlightenment is the birthright of all human beings. Kailasa is responsible to provide that to all human beings. So, with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss. Nityananda, thank you, be blissful.